All right, welcome to a new trading update. So for those of you that have been copying my signals over the last 24 to 48 hours, have received some good profit, and that's been 0.65% or around that amount for my 57 subscribers. And I've been able to see these trades go in and out of the market in real time, so pretty exciting stuff. Unfortunately, I'm not accepting any new people at the moment for my copier service. And it's because I'm using a third party called FX Junction, and their website that allows you to copy my trades in a very simple way, but they're having some coding problems on the back end having to do with my recommended broker called Traders Way. So until they get those worked out, I can't accept any new people into my copier service, but hopefully that will be done in the next 24 hours. If it's not, then I'll have some other means of copying my signals up on the website. So stay tuned to the website and check that out in the next 24 hours. Okay, so I'm looking at potentially either continuing to have a very affordable price for my signal, or going back to a free structure as well is a possibility. And I wanted to ask you guys what you would want in a signal. How much do you want it to cost? How long do you want the free trial period to go for? I know that everybody wants free signals, right? I know that you don't want to pay for anything. That's just, you know, how the world works. If something is free, you're more likely to use it, especially if it's a good product. So, if it's free, what do you expect out of the signal? Do you expect it, you know, my goals are 10 to 15% per month. So, do you expect it to run really well? Do you expect it to be user-friendly? If it's a paid, what do you expect from a paid signal? Do you expect it to be $50 a month, under 20? What kind of price structure are you looking for? And what kind of free trial period would you want? Because with FX Junction, I'm only allowed to use a 14-day free trial for those who join. So unfortunately, I can't go longer than that. But I can offer a very inexpensive paid structure. And I think the least I can offer is $1 that they allow me to do on the website. Now I'm hoping to, you know, have some kind of payment for me. You know, don't be like, say, I want everything free. Be thinking about me on the other side as well, that I have to make money somehow. So what is a reasonable middle ground for you when it comes to what you expect from something like this? All right. So with this being said, I'm trying to add in a new broker, and this is called, and they are called FX Choice, and they've been around for a long time, and they're a forex broker. And they also allow Bitcoin trading as well, and they offer a bit better affiliate structure for me. So if I am able to offer my signal for even cheaper than I am now, or for free, they could help, I guess, cover that empty space when it comes to commission for me and trying to get compensated for what I'm doing here. They also offer a lot of good bonuses to you guys. A 15% bonus if you sign up under my link. A 30-day free VPS if you deposit $1,000. If you deposit $2,000, it's a free 90-day, and if you deposit $3,000 or more, it's a 180-day free VPS, which is really cool. And unfortunately, you know, they don't give it to you for free. You know, you have to deposit money to do so, but it's still a nice option that they offer. They also allow Bitcoin deposits, and you can do wire transfers as well, and other deposit options. Very good broker, really good reviews, actually better reviews than Traders Way. All right, so with that being said, guys, let's get into the trades and see how things worked out and what kind of trade profits that we took overnight.
All right, I wanted to show you the account that all your trades are being copied from. So 57 of you are copying my trades right now from this $1,374 account, which shows 28% profit. You can see the equity and balance curve over time and the drawdown. Today's profit was 0.35%, and this week 0.64% profit, which the majority of my subscribers got either that number, maybe slightly better, or maybe just slightly under that. You can also see the pips, profits, and the dollar amounts as well. So this account is receiving and pushing for that 10 to 15% profit per month goal. But there's a chance that I might not reach that goal this month. I have about a week, just a week and a half left, and I'm at about 5%. I'm hoping for about 8% profit for this month, which is still an undershoot of the 10 to 15% goal. But if I can't make it, then that's okay. We're still in profit, and 8% I'm completely happy with. All right, so the other account that I'm having trades copied to is, or the strategy is running on, is this $119,000 account. And this one is running at Oanda, and it has much lower leverage, so I'm only able to run my strategy at 25% of the full strength. So that means that the profit potential of this one is only 3 to 5% per month, which is quite a bit different, but still it's $119,000, and I like running my strategy at lower risk at a regulated broker like Oanda. And today's profit was only 0.14%, but that actually equaled out to be about $164. For this week, 0.24 with $286 profit. So you can see that with a larger account, you're still getting some really good gains each day, even on a lower leveraged broker like Oanda. Okay, going to Telegram. So those of you that have been having my trades copied to your accounts, I've had some decent feedback that's come in so far. And you can see that here on the Telegram channel, which I'll put a link in the description of this video, from David and from Josh. So thanks you guys so much for your comments here, and hopefully I can continue to deliver on my trading profits. So let's get into that right now. This is what has happened over the last 24 hours. Now I went over the trades from yesterday, and we had some profitable buy trades on the pound Canadian dollar, and we had 4 trades that went in the market. Now I'm going to go a little bit less into how and why these trades were taken, but I'm going to leave that I guess explanation for my strategy in later videos. So I'm going to go a little bit faster over why these were taken to spend a little bit less time on these videos explaining that. So trade 1 was entered expecting a pullback to happen on the pound Canadian dollar. The RMI was overbought, so this was a good place to enter the market for a pullback down. It didn't quite work out, as you can see, and the next trade went in. So I entered a second position, hoping that I would get a better shot at the market pushing down then. Didn't quite work. Third, and then fourth, and eventually on the fourth, we almost had a fifth at the top here, but didn't quite go in. But the fourth position did move down, and I did get that pullback. So it took me 4 positions. But the thing is that each of these single trades are really small risk. So we're only risking a little bit amount on each trade, and it allows me to have extra chances to get that actual pullback that we're looking for. I don't want to risk a ton on the first order or the second or third or fourth. I want to risk an equal small amount on each one, and then once the market does actually move into my favor, I close all trades out for a realized profit. So the 2 top orders were profit because they moved down, and the 2 bottom, well, this one was about break even, and this first order wasn't a loss, but it wasn't a big loss. The profit from the 2 trades at the top overwhelmed the loss from this trade here. I closed them all out at the same time, so overall profit gain from this 4 trade basket. Okay, so we have some additional trades in on the New Zealand CAD, and this one has been kind of a thorn in my side for a while because we had trades that went in, or one trade that went in last week, and it hasn't really moved down. There was a little bit of a pullback here, didn't quite move enough, and I entered again, or had my robot enter again on trade number 2, and there was a small pullback right in that area, and then 3 at the top here. So trade 1 was a decent entry, and the market did, or the pair did move down, just not enough for us to close out for a good profit here. So I waited, and unfortunately went back up. Trade 2 went in, and there were some candles showing some potential for a pullback. So there was this one here, and the significance of these candles were the big wicks that happened. It means that price jumped up and it shot back down. So it's basically canceled out. And I mean, it's a good indication that buyers were trying to push up, and then everybody, or a good portion of people, decided to close out their buy positions and enter the market on the sell, or just close the buy positions out in general, causing this to fall down a bit. Now, apparently not enough buyers did that in this area here, and it caused more buyers to actually jump in later on, and then this shot up past the previous resistance level, and this made new highs. And then what we're experiencing right now is this nice candle, just like I was mentioning before, shoots up and then shoots down within the same candle. And that's what happened here. Shot up and shot back down. A good indication that we may start to see more people entering in on the sell side here, or start selling the New Zealand CAD. And we'll see what happens here, but it's more confident about what's happening with the candlesticks up at this area than I have been here and in here. So we're right at a round number at 0.93 as well, so there should be some automatic increased volatility up around this area, and it could be enough to get some sellers in on the sell side, and this could end up shooting debt back down. Alright, so we'll wait it out, but this looks pretty good and looks pretty ripe for a continuation down. So I don't know for sure, obviously, but this is what I see, how I see the market going. So what happened last night? I actually wrote out to my Telegram group right in this area, and I'm gonna prove that to you by pulling up my Telegram channel now. Okay, here it is. So I wrote out a message. As of now, you should have 6 sell trades in the market. All CAD pairs are forming resistances at current price and shaping up for a fall. This is good for us. I think trades will start moving in our chosen direction soon. Stay patient, everybody. Any questions about your trades, send me a message. So that message was sent right in here. And why I sent that out was to inform people that I feel like our trades will start moving into profit, and if you're impatient with what's happening, then maybe I can give you some understanding and hold on a bit longer, because it looks like the market might start moving in our direction. So why did I pack up here as a reversal point? Well, I saw that this was right again, same at the round number, which we were already seeing some resistance at 1.77. I saw this candle right here, this bearish candle, and then a small move back down. So it's showing me already that there's some resistance up at this top peak up here. And looking at other pairs as well, like even the NZD CAD, where it was at the same time, near a resistance level too. So I looked at all of the CAD pairs, so that's the USD CAD, all of the main CAD pairs, the Pound CAD, the New Zealand CAD, the Odd CAD, and they were all showing resistance levels near this point up here. So I got hints from other pairs that this was going to potentially fall, and it did at that point. I'm not saying that I can see the future or know what was going to happen, but there were a lot of hints at this moment showing me that price would fall, and it actually did. And I have proof that I wrote that out to my followers. So, guys, I do have a lot of knowledge in this market. I'm not saying I'm the best trader in the world, but I have 13 years of experience. I have a profitable strategy that has been profitable for the last 11, and I've been using off and on for the last 4. And it shows really solid results. And it looks for these things that I'm talking to you about right now. It looks for slowing market prices and then potential fall. We can't read into the market, or we don't know exactly what's going to happen, but we can get as traders a lot of hints for what may happen, and that's all we can really go off on. So with that, and putting all those things together, I've formed a system that you're looking at right here that takes trades like this and allows us to profit from a market no matter what condition the market is currently in. Alright, so with that being said, anything else that you guys want me to go over in my videos, please let me know, and hopefully I can cover those. But until now, until 24 hours, I'm hoping to have some signal up on my website that you can start to copy again. Right now I'm not taking any more signups, so keep that in mind. Stay tuned to my website. In the meantime, keep watching my strategy and what I have to say about it and the trades that are going in and out. Good luck, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.